Love. Oh. Where's Elf? They left. Oh, yeah.
No.
You sure you don't want Michael to reread that note to you? Because some of those words sounded really mixed up.
You want me to reread it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Here, Janai. You take the...
Why is it pointing like that?
No,
Oh,
I think it's a snowflake. I think they made a snowflake. Alright, it says, Dear kids, we hope
Whoa!
you had a good Christmas so far. Santa is coming here tonight to bring you more presents. Only one present tonight from Mom, Tessa, and Dad, Mike. Look for the card in back of the tree. Love, Elves.
Look!
Back behind the tree.
Here's
Here.
your present. No!
Okay, well here, then I guess it's for both of y'all. Hold on. What is it?
It's an ultrasound. It says we're having a baby. Elf is having a baby. They are boyfriend and girlfriend. Oh my god. Oh,
That was better than expected.
that was real. Look, it's a picture of the. Oh my god, that is a baby elf. No, God, that is a baby elf. That is a picture of a baby elf. Can I see?
It's not a human?
No.
It couldn't be a brother or sister?
We're having a baby. Can
Did you say it said there was a card from me and your mom? So the card was from us.
I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! I knew it!
I don't think you know
I don't
what's
think
going on.
Janaya knows what's going on.
Do you know what's going on?
Tessa's having a baby! Oh my goodness, I knew you were having a baby! I knew we gonna have two babies. I always said, are you gonna have a boy or a girl? Is it a boy or a girl?
I don't know.
Stop recording us.